If you want to replace a smoke detector sensor head, here's a few tricks you need to know. Replacement requires a special calibration device. First, check the number code of the sensor head that you plan to replace. The address programmer, EVAD2EXT, is used to reprogram code encryption on new sensor heads. Step 1. Engage the new sensor head on the device. Step 2. Turn on the address programmer. Step 3. Press the search address button and wait until the device reads the number code. For this sensor, the reading is 002, and the sensor head that we want to replace was designated at 103. Step 4. Press the arrow up to change the value to required number code. In this case, we need to set it up to 103. Step 5. Press Set Address to register new number code. Step 6. Double-check the value by repeating steps 1 to 3. The value shall replicate the number codes 103.